Hi, good morning everybody. जो लोग आए हैं, good morning. Hi Mehjabeen. Hi Nusrat.
Hi.
Good morning. Hi Mehrunisa. Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning.
नाश्ता वाश्ता हो गया आप लोगों का?
Yes.
Good. Was it raining that side, Colaba side?
Yes. Heavily, it seems, because half of our things in balcony are in this corner and that corner.
हाँ.
उधर काफी बारिश हुई क्या? I have a friend in Ville Parle. He was saying stormy situation था एकदम.
या. So actually हमको लगा कि शायद जो
वो साइक्लोन चला गया.
नहीं क्लाइमेट वाले वो 2 दिन पहले ही बोल दिए थे कि साइक्लोन आने वाला है.
That's what my friends are saying. हम लोग तो सारा लॉक कर दिए थे तो and I sleep like एकदम गधे घोड़े बेच के. So I have no idea. Now I woke up so I saw all the things in this corner, that corner.
So around 5:36 we got up. So suddenly it was like very smoky outside. क्या हो गया? And it was like trees इतने जोरदार, they were like moving कि like आज ही है शायद cyclone तो. Then अभी तो it's bright, sun निकल गया
हाँ,
एकदम.
अभी इधर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा means it's not very sunny but
Yeah.
okay.
And I can't see Mehjabeen. I can just see her name. Nusrat, I can't see you. Sadika,
Yes, I don't know what happened, but I can hear you.
you can't see.
I'm trying to get on.
Hi Zian, good morning. Shaurya, hi. Zian, can you hear me? Last week I gave some homework.
Yes.
Hopefully किया नहीं होगा.
नहीं किया है half पे किया.
So it was not a homework, but it was basically कि आप लोग I'll just dwell on it कि आप लोग right track पे हैं या नहीं. Because then कोई पूछता है ना, that's when you start scratching your head कि अच्छा, you know, you never thought about it. So 10:01. Last time I think some people were saying that. Hi Sadika, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So I think last time some people were saying that वो connection नहीं हो रहा था उनका, या they were having some issues. So we just wait for a minute.
Hi, Nosh.
Hi.
Oh, yeah,
Last time तुमने शादी. We are neighbors actually.
Oh. Nice. So while we wait for another minute or so, we'll just have a quick introduction about yourself. So तब तक और लोग join हो जाएंगे. Zian and Shaurya and Mehjabeen. I can't see you. I can't hear you.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am, now?
So who's this?
This is Shaurya.
Shaurya, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Okay, so you want to see me as well.
Of course, everybody wants to see you.
Okay, so
Hi.
here I am. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
So Zian and Mehjabeen. Okay, so I think whoever wants to start. Zian, I can see you now.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, who wants to start? Mehrunisa, you want to start? A quick thing, your name, where are you from, and what do you do?
I'm Mehrunisa.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Because I want to start something on my own. I'm actually a professional. I'm an assistant professor in a college. I teach accounts and finance.
Okay, 1 second. So when somebody is speaking, please respect that person, and everybody keep it on mute. So you know we can hear that person. Yeah, Mehrunisa.
Okay, I'm Mehrunisa. I'm a professor of accountancy and finance. I've been teaching for almost 2 decades. Now I'm feeling a burnout from teaching and I want to get into something on my own, but I feel directionless. I have ideas, but I don't know how to go about and concretize them, sir. That's why I'm here.
Okay. Nusrat.
Yeah, I'm cupping therapist and I'm from Surat. Actually, the reason I want to get motivated, I'm a bit like I don't have that courage to stand.
Okay.
So that's the reason.
Okay. Sadika.
Yeah, I'm Sadika Inamdar from Surat, home baker.
Okay. Shaurya.
Hi everyone. So my name is Shaurya. I'm from Delhi. I have my own organization. It's called Humans of Safe Places. So it's basically a social venture. A social venture is something that it is like a normal startup, a business, but it also solves a social issue or a social problem. So it's called Humans of Safe Places, and we talk about the stigmatized and the social taboos of the society through personal stories of people.
Okay.
So we basically provide an empathetic and a safe place for people to talk about their issues. And so yeah, I am working on it, and I also last year graduated and completed my engineering. Now I'm planning for my further studies, but in the meanwhile, I'm also running this, and I wanted to maybe learn something from Shabana ma'am. So yeah,
Ma'am.
I want.
Okay, you have to minus that, Shabana, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Zian, you have to just put up some lights. We can't see you. Meanwhile, you can continue talking.
Alright, so I work as an IT professional, and
Sorry,
actually
we didn't get you. What are you into?
I am into IT. I work as an
IT.
IT professional.
Okay.
So I didn't have any plans of business or something, but I'm here to just get influenced and inspired and to see if I can grow somewhere in that area. Yeah, so that's my whole motive.
Great. Okay. So I think we'll begin now because I think we are about 6 minutes up. So everybody on mute, and please write down your questions. Last time I think you all never came back with any questions. So it's important for all of us. It's important for me to understand that whether we are all in sync, and it's communicated properly, and if there is any topic that uh, you want me to discuss about, so we can take that up. Okay. Okay. So I hope you've done the homework. Okay. So like I said, okay, so the people who were not there last week, we basically had given we were talking about few things which you would do, which you like, okay, which will also give you money. So that was some kind of homework that was given. So every week, whenever we talk, जब भी हम बात करेंगे, there will be some homework which will be given to you. It is not for me. ये आपके लिए है. So you when you sit and think about it, आपको खुद के answers आएंगे. Okay, that's the idea. Okay. So today's topic, okay, is okay. Can anybody tell me what's today's topic? Sadika. ऐसे मत करो. Mehrunisa, can you tell me what's today's topic?
No, I don't remember. I just remember I have to connect with you today.
Okay, so next time, please, you remember the topics, because
Am I in the right business? Actually, that's the topic.
Yes. Are you in the right business? So please remember the topic, because and I give you enough, like 3-4 days to think about it. So when you are in the session, you are completely focused, you know that you know what is going to happen in the session, क्या बात करने वाले हैं, क्या डिस्कशन होने वाला है. क्योंकि अगर टॉपिक नहीं याद है तो इट विल बी लाइक यू नो अच्छा ये पता नहीं क्या बोलने वाली है आज. ठीक है, तो जब आपको टॉपिक याद रहेगा यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके नो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, मेरा फोकस ये होना चाहिए. Zian, are we all in sync?
Yeah, Shaban. Yeah.
Okay, so today's topic is, are we in the right business? Okay, तो let me give you my example. So मैं बहुत बार मेरा खुद का एग्जाम्पल दूंगी आपको, तो मैं एग्जैक्टली आपको बता पाऊंगी कि ना ये हुआ ये हुआ ये हुआ. ठीक है, और अगर आपके पास आपका एग्जाम्पल है तो हम वो भी ले सकते हैं. तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें पसंद है. ओके, आई लाइक टू डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, आई लाइक टू सिंग, I like to, so in my college I used to represent my college, so I like to sing. When I was in corporate I used to you know go and sing. I like to write. Okay, ऐसे बीच बीच में मैं अचानक से ऐसे कुछ लिखती हूँ. I have submitted my you know poems and all. I have also burnt my hands. Listen to the word. I have said I have also burnt my hand in clothes. Okay, like last time मैंने बताया था that business did not do well. Yes. For whatever reason. Okay, so there are a lot of things. I was an athlete. Okay, I represented state level, national level. So there were a lot of things which I like. There are a lot of things which I like now. Okay, but are all those things going to give me money? That is something that I had asked you all. सादिका, यही चीज मैंने इनको लास्ट टाइम होमवर्क दी थी कि आप ऐसी 4-5 चीजें लिखें जिससे आपको जो आप पसंद करते हैं और जिससे आपको पैसे आएंगे. शौर्य, आर वी क्लियर? ओके, तो जब वो सारी चीजें हुई, when I thought about it कि ये अच्छा मैं पोइट्री लिखूंगी तो इससे मुझे पैसे आएंगे क्या, and am I 100% good at it? Answer was okay. Then the business that I did, I failed there. Okay, so obviously that was not for me. Then after a lot of thinking, after a lot of you know discussion with my family members, we came to a conclusion that food is something that is in my genes. Yeah, we can go and talk, we can just talk about food. Okay, तो वो हो गया एक बड़ा पिक्चर. ठीक है, now you guys, ये last time का वापस this is the thing that we are discussing, that you have to understand कि आपका वो niche क्या है या आपका वो specific quality क्या है जो आप रात को 2 बजे उठ के भी आप वो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, that special thing. So for example, Zian said I am a IT professional. Now, IT professional is a very big, very vast term. IT professional. Now, Zian, all the people, 10, 15 people, 20 people in this group right now would be thinking IT professional. So, you know, I would think, is she a website developer? Mehrunisa would think, अच्छा ये शायद कुछ software बनाती होगी. You know, Nusrat would think something else. So what exactly is your main point? Okay, what exactly are you master in? Not Jack, you are a master in. Okay, so जो भी आपका main point है, so let's begin, start the topic now. The very first thing, आपको है ना एक मेंटोर की बहुत जरूरत है. ओके, जैसे आज मैं जहां पे भी हूँ, आई हैव मेंटोर्स, और जरूरी नहीं है कि एक मेंटोर हो, क्योंकि एक क्वालिटी सब में नहीं होती. करेक्ट है? डू वी ऑल एग्री? या आप में एक क्वालिटी होगी, आपके कोई फ्रेंड में एक क्वालिटी होगी. प्लीज चूज अ मेंटोर जो आपको गाइड कर सके, जो आपको कोच कर सके. ओके, भले आप हमें चुनिए, यू चूज मी एज योर मेंटोर, you choose anybody you think that you know who can guide you. और हमेशा एक चीज याद रखिए कि गाइडेंस आप उससे लीजिए जो आपसे 2 लेवल ऊपर है. कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में, कोई भी बिजनेस में हो, कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में हो, you know, any walks of life, somebody who is 2 notches up than you. This is nothing to do with ego. आपको ये सोचना है कि भैया उसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है. Okay, the person is there for some reason. Like last week मैंने बोला था कि आप लोग सब लोग अगर आज हो यहाँ पे, there is some reason. You know that you know Shabana knows something which we do not know. Correct? So please find a coach, a mentor for yourself जो आपको गाइड करे, आपके प्रोफेशन में हो या आपके प्रोफेशन के बाहर हो. Okay? Okay, let me ask you that question, Shaurya. What is that one thing which you will do anything to आप कुछ भी कर लोगे उस चीज के लिए, but that particular thing will give you money.
So when I started Humans of Safe Places, I started because there were so many social issues and problems around me that I saw and they existed, and I always have felt this urge to speak up against all of it. Point it out and talk to people about it, and point out the hypocrisy and everything. So that is what I'm very passionate about. I can talk about these issues and these things that I feel about at whatever point of time, and I think
so you're saying that okay, so my connected question is, will you do this even if you don't get paid for it?
Till now, I have not been able to make any money, so I am doing it without money. But yes, I want to monetize it, and I have an idea in my mind, so I want to monetize it and work on it.
Okay, so she said the right word here, monetize. That's the key, monetize. तो आप कोई ऐसा प्रोफेशन या वर्क या जॉब या जो भी है, लेट मी नॉट यूज द वर्ड जॉब, सॉरी, आप कोई ऐसा बिजनेस चुनिए जो आपका इतना पैशन हो ना, इतना जोरदार वो पैशन हो कि अगर आपको वो पैसे ना दे तो भी आप करोगे. लेकिन monetization is finally the key. When I say कि आपको पैसे ना दे, मतलब आपका वो पैशन इतना जोरदार होना चाहिए कि अगर आपको उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन के बारे में अगर आपको कोई भी पूछ लेना कि इसमें this coding, where does this coding connect to, Zian, you should be able to tell. Yeah? Or if I have a pain in my spine in a particular place, मैं फोन पे अगर मैं नुसरत को बोलूं कि ना, see I am not an expert, तो मैं एक ऐसे मेरे को है ना यहाँ पे ये वाला स्पाइन है ना, तो यहाँ पे बीच में दर्द कर रहा है, but by probing नुसरत will be able to say exactly कि वो यहाँ दर्द है और वो इस वजह से है. Okay, are we clear? So the passion has to be that strong. So that's the number one key learning today. It has to be that strong कि आपको उसके बारे में हर एक चीज पता होना चाहिए. तो जब आपके कोई कोच या मेंटोर के पास जाएं आप, तो उसको भी पता हो कि बॉस, दिस पर्सन नोज एवरीथिंग and he or she will guide you उसके ऊपर का. That is what is required for you guys. Are we clear? Now next, when we say that are you in right business, so first जो point था वो है आपको, is that business giving you money, is that your passion? Okay, that's your first point. Your second point is, are you solving anybody's problem? ठीक है साधिका, are we clear? Zian, Merunisa, are you solving anybody's problem? तो आपका जो भी आप प्रोफेशन या आप बिजनेस में आप एंट्री करें, आपको ये सोचना है कि am I solving anybody's problem? Because जब तक आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में नहीं है, nobody will come to you. Let me give you an example of Amazon. Okay, Amazon, why is it so successful? Amazon is successful because not one is obviously you have, आप बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारे वर्ल्ड वाइड कंपनीज आपको एक जगह दिखती है, so you don't have to hunt at many places. So that's one problem solving, correct? नहीं तो आप 10 वेबसाइट देखोगे, टीवी है तो टीवी के लिए मैं फलाना जगह जाऊंगी, कपड़े लेने हैं तो मैं ये वेबसाइट पे जाऊंगी. What is Amazon doing? Collectively at one roof, under one roof. Yeah, so that's problem solving. Second problem solving, what are they doing? We are all very busy. Okay, we don't have time. What are they doing? They are doing home deliveries. Amazon was one of the first companies who started the concept of home deliveries of shopping. नहीं तो हम शॉपर स्टॉप जा रहे हैं, फैब इंडिया जा रहे हैं, यहाँ जा रहे हैं, वहां जा रहे हैं, पर्सनली, करेक्ट? सो दैट वाज द सेकंड थिंग दैट दे सेड कि ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है आपके लिए. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड व्हेन आई से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मतलब क्या? ओके, सो आज का आपका होमवर्क, प्लीज राइट, शौर्य, एवरीबडी प्लीज राइट दिस, थिंक अबाउट इट कि आप जो भी प्रोफेशन में हैं, आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं जो दूसरों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है. सो थिंक अबाउट इट. आज ये जो मैं आप लोगों को ये पॉइंटर्स बता रही हूँ ना, फाइनली जब आप ये बैठ के ये सब पॉइंटर्स सोचेंगे एंड यू विल राइट योर आंसर्स, दैट्स एग्जैक्टली यू विल नो. आपको है ना बहुत सारे, मैं आपको एंड में आपको बताऊंगी कि आपको वो एक्सरसाइज कैसे करनी है, एंड मोर और लेस यू विल हैव अ वेरी क्लियर आइडिया कि दिस इज व्हाट आई नीड टू डू. ओके, योर सो ये दो हो गए. तीसरा है आपका माइक्रो बिजनेस क्या है. अगेन मैं मेरा एग्जांपल दूंगी आपको. तो फूड इज अ बिगर बिजनेस. जैसे मैंने जियान का एग्जांपल दिया था, सो जियान सेड दैट शी इज इनटू आईटी. ओके, अब आईटी में बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई, सो दैट इज अ बिगर, लार्जर एस्पेक्ट. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम देयर she says that okay, I develop a website. ठीक है, अब अगर हम गूगल करेंगे, एक सर्च इंजन पे जाके देखेंगे कि हाँ मुझे ना एक वेबसाइट बनानी है, बहुत सारे आपको आएंगे वेबसाइट्स बनाने वाले. Am I right? You will get like pages and pages where there will be a lot of people who are making websites, correct? You will get confused. Prices will be from 1 rupee to you pay in installment and falana and whatever. Then there is some lady called Zian. Okay, she makes a website which is with an AI technology. Yeah, how does it sound?
Very specific.
Very specific and very unique. Yeah, so okay, so Zian, there is a lady who is developing a website जो AI technology में है, which is like in thing right now. Am I right, Zian? Yeah. So अगर मुझे वेबसाइट बनानी है या नुसरत को वेबसाइट बनानी है उसकी कपिंग के लिए, या Shaurya wants to make a website, whoever you all want to make a website, will you go to a person who is generic, who makes a website, or will you go to Zian who makes a very specific website जो इतना यूनिक है, which automatically will draw clients to you? You'll go to Zian, right? Correct. Now I'll give you a second example. Second example is food industry. Okay, from a food industry, which is a larger aspect. Okay, what is my micro niche? Ammi's Kitchen's micro niche. Everybody gives food. Everybody does home delivery. What is my uniqueness today? Why is Ammi's Kitchen in Forbes? Why is Ammi's Kitchen in Living Foods? Why is Ammi's Kitchen in Hindustan Times? Why? Because we are having a specific thing which is of Konkani Muslim cuisine, which nobody in the entire Mumbai gives. We are the only family in the entire city who provides this. Now, isn't this specific? Right? So if you want to try this, you can try this right now. After the session is over, you write Shabana Konkani Muslim cuisine on Google, on images, you see the number of posts that I have, which Google has picked up. The search engine has picked up. I have not posted. It is the search engine which has posted. That is where you have to reach. Never ever think कि mediocre चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा. The day you think ये चल जाएगा, वो that is doom. Correct? So that's our third point कि आपका micro business क्या है. Okay? Now coming to the last thing, today's fourth point is again I'll give you my so before I give you my example, fourth point is how you package the entire thing. Okay, when I say package means I'm not talking about the wrapping part. Okay, I am saying as a collective thing. Okay, आप क्या दे रहे हो कस्टमर को, या कितना एक्सपीरियंस आप बंडल करके दे रहे हो. Okay, so it could be in terms of your own experience. Okay, it could be in terms of all the certifications that you have done so far. Certifications मतलब आपने कोई बहुत बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट से आपने जो है मतलब कोई कोर्स किया है, या आपने hands on, आप फील्ड पे जाके, like शौर्या आपने फील्ड पे जाके you would have interviewed people, ये वो all that thing. Okay, now giving my example to make it more clear is my mom on 5th of September she will be 73. Okay, she has learned from her grandmother because she lost her mom at a very young age. Okay, so her grandmother used to be like on and off, coming going. So she used to stay with my Nana ji. Okay, तो अभी अगर मेरी ग्रैंडमदर जिंदा होते तो शायद वो सेंचुरी मार चुके होते. करेक्ट? तो 72, 73, my mom, she learned from her grandmother. Okay, I am 43. Okay, so collectively कितना experience हुआ?
More than 120, 150 years.
Collectively. Okay, that's the kind of experience, that's the kind of packaging that we get in. So if you see my Wednesdays and mostly Wednesdays ko I talk about Apni's Kitchen, and Saturdays ko is about the business part. I talk about very specific and traditional cuisines and dishes, and a lot of the preparation and everything which is very specific to our cuisine, जो शायद कोकनियों को भी नहीं पता है. When they message me, they say that हमको तो पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसी कोई चीज exist भी करती है. Okay, so collectively I get about 120 years का experience and a package. Are we clear?
Yes.
That is the kind of package that you have to show. Now let's take Mehrunisa's example. Mehrunisa, आप कितने साल से ये profession में हो?
22 years.
2 years you're saying?
22 years.
22 years. Okay. Plus, okay, let's add on to whatever studies and whatever you've done to pump this thing up. वो कितना होगा? Just give me an approximate number.
Studies to PG, so
छोटा मोटा सब मिला के अंदाजन.
25 years.
So no, so you're saying 22 plus 25?
No,
Like,
no, no.
Total,
Overall 20.
है ना? So she comes with an experience of 25 years of teaching. तो अगर आपको किसी को you want to so suppose she chooses her Mehrunisa, exactly what thing do you teach?
Accounts and finance.
Okay, so suppose if you have to go to a teacher, so suppose Nusrat has a kid, so Nusrat को अपने बच्चे को finance सिखाना है. Okay, so there is one institute which is like 10 years ठीक है in the business. Okay, there is one teacher who has 25 years of experience, okay, and has something very unique to give which no classes can give. तो आप किसके पास जाओगे?
Second option.
Correct है? So that's bundling, that's packaging, that's the experience that you would get in. Okay, and the last point, okay, the last fifth thing is never stop learning. Never. आप जो भी, so when I'm saying learning, it could be in many things. Okay, मतलब आप कोई कोई अपना प्रोफेशन फाइन ट्यून करने के लिए कुछ नया मार्केट में आया है तो आप कोर्स कर लो, या सर्च इंजन इज योर बिगेस्ट टीचर. पूरा टाइम फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम उस पे रहते हो ना, रहते हैं ना, इसमें लाइक कर ले, टिंग, चलो ये तो चलता ही है, राइट? Please use search engine to enhance your skills. Okay, जैसे Sadhika, I think you are a baker, right? Enhance your skills. अगर आप enhance नहीं करेंगे ना आपका skill, कोई और है जो already is on that path. Correct? तो think about your competitors, वो ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं, कि अरे ये वाली चीज ना, this I should know. Is anybody stopping you to learn? No. So that's your point number 5 today. Never stop learning. Enhance your skills. Yeah. So now, summarization of this entire thing is, this is a homework for you all. Okay, so all these 5 points that you know we've spoken about today. आप पहले तो एक 3-4 आपका जो प्रोफेशंस है, you please write down those whichever you think, you know, ये हाँ ये पैशन है, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and I just love these things. Please write that. Then take one of those professions, okay, and these 5 points that I've told you, okay, and then see के इसमें positives कितना है और negatives कितना है. You will automatically get to know कि इसमें से आपको कौन सा प्रोफेशन चूज करना है. और अगर आप कोई प्रोफेशन आपने ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट किया है, जैसे सादिका इज इनटू केक्स एंड यू नो बेकिंग, नुसरत इज इनटू कपिंग, ओके, what more can you do in that, which is your micro business? It is not easy, okay, please spend time. ये जब आप ये होमवर्क करोगे, please spend time and be honest. Be honest with yourself. आप सबसे झूठ बोल सकते हो, आप अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते, correct? Be as ruthless, be as honest as possible, and then match it and see whether you know आपका ये प्रोफेशन, आप सही प्रोफेशन में हो, and are you using it to the optimum? Yeah. So end of this session, okay, and see, I am not doing this, please understand this, that you know I am giving the, so like I said that you know I will be doing these sessions on every Saturday with one topic, considering all the experience that I have, and you know the ups and the downs that I had, sharing all those things with you all. I am giving this all free. Please understand this. Have I charged you guys? No, I am giving it upfront. I am putting it on social media that this is free. Why? I am giving this free because I want you guys to uplift yourself. You know, because you guys are already taken the path. I want you guys to take that jump. And when you take that jump, I want all you guys, जो अभी फिलहाल लाइव प्रेजेंट है या जो बाद में देखेंगे, I want all you guys to come to a level that you call me and say, Shabana, we want your coaching. You should be able to afford my coaching. That's where I want you to be. Right? So it shouldn't be that, you know, आपको एक second भी नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा. Okay? You should just call up and say, Shabana, let's start. That's your level 2. So अभी मैं आपको level 1 पे लेके जाऊंगी, okay, which will be a jump. The only support that I need from you all is please do your homework, please be as honest as possible. ये जो आप सब कर रहे हैं ना, ये अपने आप के लिए कर रहे हैं. आप important हो, अपने आप को importance दीजिए. You are a very important part of your family. जब आप strong होंगे ना, जैसे मेरे husband जब mentoring करते हैं, healing करते हैं, वो हमेशा एक चीज बोलते हैं कि जब घर की woman strong है ना, everything falls in place. Everything. जब आप weak होंगे ना, तो वो पूरा tree हिल जाएगा. So please, and irrespective of the age, irrespective. So whether you are as young as Shaurya and Zian, or as old as me. Okay, so have a lovely weekend, guys. और please आप मुझे बताइए कि next week का topic आपको क्या चाहिए, and please share your feedbacks. कि आपको होमवर्क करने में अगर कोई तकलीफ आ रही है, so please let me know. Okay? आप खुद से मत बैठिए कि शबाना पूछेगी. नहीं, मैं नहीं पूछूंगी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shabana.
Okay, excuse me, Shabana. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
So
No,
as
one second. Shaurya, 1 second. Acha, in the last 5-10 minutes, we will just do a quick, clearing of doubts, queries, and let it be as stupid, as nonsensical as possible. Okay, because no question is wrong, no question is stupid. ठीक है, because आपके दिमाग में जो सवाल आ रहा होगा, the rest of them also have. Yeah, shoot.
okay, so my question is that आपने बोला कि अपना बिजनेस को बहुत नीश करो और माइक्रो बिजनेस पे फोकस करो, राइट? कि
Yes.
स्पेसिफिक बनाओ बहुत ज्यादा.
Sure,
So
sure,
I
sure.
was thinking that when we do this, don't we actually also limit our market and limit our customer base?
This is a myth. मैंने जियान का क्या एग्जांपल दिया था?
वेबसाइट का.
So there is somebody who's an IT, there is somebody who's making a website, and there is somebody who's making a website with an AI. एक कंपनी में, okay, let me give you a quick example. एक कंपनी में कितने CEOs होते हैं?
One
एक ही होता है ना?
right.
एक ही होता है ना? कितने CXOs होते हैं? CXOs मतलब function heads कितने होते हैं?
I think they are several, multiple होते हैं.
Multiple मतलब 6 होंगे, 7 होंगे.
7, हाँ.
ठीक है. एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल मतलब जो काम करता है वो कितने होते हैं?
More than the CXOs.
Hundreds, thousands.
हाँ.
अगर बड़ी कंपनी है तो thousands में होंगे, छोटी कंपनी है तो hundreds में होंगे. Shaurya, my answer to you is in the form of a question. So there are 3 ladders. एक जो है वो exec level है, एक है वो middle management है, और एक है वो CEO है या owner है of the business. Okay? Where do you want to see yourself?
Right now, I am the owner or the founder only.
No, you're not okay, let me give you another example.
Okay.
Do you want to be lost in a group?
Okay, right. I get your question now. Yes.
अच्छा, एक बहुत common example मैं देती हूँ. Everybody uses Instagram.
Yes.
Hashtags डालते हैं, hashtags डालते हैं ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so there are some hashtags जिसमें millions होते हैं, millions of posts होते हैं. There are some which are mid range and there are some जिसमें होते ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो अगर आप कोई सोशल मीडिया जो हैंडल करते हैं ना, अगर आप उनको पूछोगे ना कि मुझे क्या हैशटैग यूज करना चाहिए, they will say आप ऐसे हैशटैग यूज करो जहां पे आपका पोस्ट लॉस, इट शुडंट गेट लॉस्ट. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? इसका मतलब होता है यू हैव टू बी यूनिक. पीपल शुड पिन पॉइंट के देयर शी इज.
Right.
Have I answered your question?
Yes.
The rest of y'all have understood what the question and response was.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Any more questions?
I have a question, Shabana.
Yes.
If I want to start something, I mean, you have to tell me from your personal experience. Is it better to go solo, or if you are not very, not very confident of starting something on your own, is it okay if you join hands with somebody? I mean, partnership jana hai, solo jana hai, what makes sense basically?
Solo आप क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते हो?
I don't know. I was telling you last time, like I have always been into academics, and the target thing which I'm looking at is training.
Okay.
Which everywhere people keep on asking for corporate experience, which I don't have.
Okay.
So for me, it would make sense to join hands with somebody who's from corporate culture, and then I get the, all the oratorship and all of that. Maybe something like that. I'm not sure of that part.
Okay. So if you ask from my personal experience,
Yes.
always go solo.
Okay.
Don't fear. Do not fear. Always go solo. Okay. When it comes to taking somebody's help, work in collaboration.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, Sadika and Zian are looking blank. समझ आ रहा है? When I say, okay, when I say collaboration means, okay, so Ammi's kitchen है, and okay, cakes. Because food, let me take that example. So I say, abhi cake making is or baking is not my expertise. Okay. Now I get orders for cakes. I will not get into the headache of making cakes. One, it is not my skill. Okay. Neither do I want to digress. मुझे मेरा जो मेन वो है फोकस, मुझे उससे डाइग्रेस नहीं करना है. तो व्हाट विल आई डू? आई विल टेल सादिका मुझे ऐसे ही केक्स बन के चाहिए, ठीक है? सो व्हेनेवर आई गेट एन ऑर्डर आई विल टेल यू कि आप मुझे केक बना के आप दे दो. सो दैट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर मी and for Sadika. Are we clear? Everybody understood?
Yes.
Okay. Right now you have so many people which you can collaborate with. Always work on collaboration. Okay. And don't be scared to go solo. You will either be right or you will learn. You will never go wrong. ये हमको ना गलत सिखाया गया है कि we will fail. We will never fail. We will either learn or we will sail through. Have I answered your question, Ironissa? Okay. Any more questions?
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
बोलो सादिका.
जैसे आपने बोला कि आप कस्टमर को क्या दे रहे हो, क्वेश्चन आपने दिया, आप क्या पैकेज कर रहे हो. तो जिस हिसाब से मैं जो सिटी में रहती हूँ सूरत में, पर्टिकुलर मेरा एरिया, सॉरी नुसरत.
हाँ नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. I mean, she must be having the same issues.
हाँ, बट जैसे कि एक पर्टिकुलर फॉन्डन केक है जो बॉम्बे में 2200 से 2400 में केजी पे बिकता है.
Okay.
हमारे यहाँ पे 1700 केजी देना भी मुश्किल है.
Okay.
और फिर पीपल्स बोलते हैं कि यार वो तो बहुत महंगा देती है.
अच्छा.
यार वो तो 1000 रुपीज में हमको मिल रहा है. मैं उसको मतलब उसके आंसर्स नहीं देती. मैं बोलती हूँ ठीक है, आपको जहां मिल रहा है आप लीजिए, पर क्वालिटी भी आपको देखनी है. तो हम ऐसे कस्टमर से कैसे डील कर सकते हैं?
Okay. So one is okay, again, I keep coming to my kitchen because ये ना बहुत relatable है. ये जो सारे questions आप करते हैं ना, ये बहुत relatable है. So अभी तो नहीं, but earlier there were women in the same industry. जैसे मैं home chef हूँ, तो ऐसे home chefs थे. से जमाना आप क्या बहुत महंगा देते हो, हम तो इतना महंगा नहीं देते, आप तो बहुत प्राइसेस चार्ज करते हो. I said yes, I charge more. Yes, I charge more because what I give nobody else gives. Okay? In terms of the cuisine, in terms of the quality, and in terms of the quantity. Okay?
Exactly.
तो अगर मैं चार्ज ज्यादा करती हूँ, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं एक बिरयानी का पोर्शन देती हूँ, अगर वही आप कोई रेस्टोरेंट से कंपेयर करोगे, इट विल नोवेयर बी क्लोज, बिकॉज मेरी एक पोर्शन बिरयानी जो होती है ना, वो 2 लोग आराम से खा सकते हैं. ये आपको होटल में होगा क्या? 1 पोर्शन विल बी गुड फॉर 1 पर्सन. करेक्ट?
और होममेड होता है.
होममेड होता है, ठीक है. एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट द सिटी. ठीक है, अभी जैसे देखो अगर आप गोवा में जाओगे ना, तो गोवा में फिशेस बहुत सस्ती है, बहुत. बट देर इज वन रेस्टोरेंट, बहुत पुराना है वो, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम, इट्स रन बाय अ लेडी. तो अगर आप गूगल भी करोगे ना कि गोवा में कौन सी जगह पे आपको जाना चाहिए फिश खाने के लिए, वो नाम आएगा ही आएगा. आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम, whatever that name is. अगर आप वहां पे जाओगे, the pricing is above average than a Goa price. Okay, because the way they serve और उनका quantity is very good, the taste is very good. Okay, and what comes, the experience. कितने सालों का experience है उनका. तो ये चीज होगी. तीसरा इस मैंने जो आपको वो पॉइंट में बताया कि आप ऐसा क्या यूनिक कर रहे हो. यू हैव टू गेट दैट यूनिकनेस इन योर केस, जो और कोई नहीं कर रहा. आपने बॉम्बे में आप स्टडी कीजिए, ये आपके लिए स्टडी है कि जब अगर लोग बोलते हैं अरे बॉम्बे में तो इतना है, पर ये तो सूरत है ना, तो ये हम इतने पैसे क्यों दें. बॉम्बे के उन होम शेफ या होम शेफ नहीं है, जो बेकर्स हैं, जो बहुत जबरदस्त केक बनाते हैं कि मतलब आप सूरत में रह के भी वो प्राइस दे दोगे. आई कांट यू मेक दोस. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? कि मतलब फॉन्डेंट, अगेन फॉन्डेंट केक तो सब लोग बनाते हैं. ठीक है, अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि आपके यहाँ पे वो वाला केक बनता है क्या, जिस वो केक के अंदर वो फिल्म निकलती है?
हाँ
बनता है, आपने बनाया है वो?
हाँ, शादी
फ्रेम वाला, राइट? हाँ मैंने बनाया है.
है.
हाँ मैंने बनाया है.
ओके ओके, तो आप ऐसे स्टडी कीजिए, आप इंटरनेशनल देखिए ऐसे वो क्या केक्स
Yes.
बनाते हैं जो लाइक वाव फैक्टर. ओके, एंड टू बिगिन विथ आप थोड़ा मार्जिन कम रखिए. ओके, यू कीप अ लेसर मार्जिन. जैसे when we started, our margin was lesser because आपका आइडिया क्या है, you have to get more people.
मार्केट.
People when they get used to your taste ना, फिर वो कहीं नहीं जाएंगे.
Right.
Once people will get used to your cupping therapy, when they get used to your study style, or once they get used to your Shaurya is pushing those articles, वो बहुत यूनिक है. मतलब मुझे वो रीड करने ही है. Everybody talks about human, everybody talks about problems. लाइफ में ही प्रॉब्लम है अपने सबके. तो ऐसा वो क्या यूनिक करती है, ऐसा क्या यूनिक स्टोरी डालती है, जो आई हैव टू रीड हर स्टोरी, आई हैव टू सब्सक्राइब टू हर न्यूज़लेटर्स. यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट. तो वो फॉन्डेंट केक से आपको थोड़ा सा है ना वो ऊपर उठना है. दैट इज योर होमवर्क. Have I answered your question?
Yeah.
Anybody else? Zian, you're very, very silent.
No, I'm just trying to this question is actually helping me. So I'm just trying to get those.
Anybody else?
I need to give a suggestion.
Please.
Can we make a WhatsApp group, because हम सब लोग एक similar journey में है, similar stages में है, तो अगर हम सब एक दूसरे को जान पाएंगे, maybe share कर पाएंगे एक दूसरे का experience एक सबके साथ, तो अच्छा रहेगा. Moreover, as if you continue to host these sessions, more people can join in, so you can instead of texting them independently, you can just post on the group, and everyone can remain updated and everything.
So see, I have a broadcast list. I've made a broadcast list because बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स हो जाते हैं ना, ये ग्रुप वो
Yes.
ग्रुप वो ग्रुप, एंड देन इवेंचुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, वो म्यूट पे चला जाता है, पीपल डोंट बॉदर, वो गुड मॉर्निंग, फ्लावर्स,
Yes. Forwards and
सलाम, शुभ रात्रि, वो सब नहीं चाहिए, you know. So let one or two more sessions happen, okay, then we will make a Telegram group. Yeah, we will make WhatsApp. I'm not too okay with it because I'm sure we all agree to this, वो बहुत ping
throughout.
okay, and because we are already in so many groups, so it might happen that we will overlook it. So we will have a Telegram group, okay. Facebook community I have already made, and it's a private group, it's not open, okay. So I think बहुत लोगों को मैंने भेजा है friend request, Ian has accepted, so I will add, अगर आप लोग वो it is called Ammi's Kitchen Entrepreneurs, Ammi's Women Entrepreneurs, okay. So please find that, send me your request and I will add you. So so once you've added yourself, then you can write your own experiences. So when the group is closed na, so we will have only those people who are already into it, and not everybody, every damn Tom, Dick and Harry is coming and posting, है ना. तो ये दो चीज we will have a Telegram group, and Facebook community is already on. Telegram group, let one more week go, and then we will add. Okay, so please ask more people to come join this, because these Saturday sessions are free. Like I said, I want you guys to come up and please set a target for yourself, okay. Next 3 months, next 6 months, wherever, I will call up Shabana and I will say we are ready to take up the coaching. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe to my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, and take care. God bless you all. Stay safe. Mumbai 8 तारीख से खुलने वाली है, so we are going to have our rocking time.
Yeah.
Chalo, all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.